you know, IBPS has released a short notification for recruitment process of specialist officers in participating banks. So today it was released, and detailed notification is to be released on 1st of November. So after 2 days, and I just came out with a video of notification, and it is on Exambay YouTube channel. So I got some responses. Based on those responses, based on some comments, I have come up with expected syllabus or important topics and the expected pattern based on previous year question papers. Okay, so that you can start your preparation without any delay. You can start your preparation now onwards. Okay, so these are the posts: IT officer, agricultural field officer, Rajbhasha Adhikari, law officer, HR officer, marketing officer. And age eligibility is expected to be 20 years minimum to maximum 30 years. And preliminary exam is same for all the branches. There is a change in the main exam pattern. Okay, so we will see preliminary exam for the post of law officer and Rajbhasha Adhikari. It is English language, 50 questions, 25 marks, reasoning, 50 questions, 50 marks, and general awareness with special reference to banking industry. So general awareness slash banking awareness. Most of the questions will be of from banking awareness, and some of the questions will be from awards or sports, from currencies, etc. So this is the pattern for law officer and Rajbhasha Adhikari. Sorry, there is a change for the post of IT officer, agricultural field officer, HR officer, and marketing officer. There's a change in one of the section in preliminary exam. English language, same, 50 questions, 25 marks. Reasoning, 50 questions, 50 marks. Instead of general awareness, there is quantitative aptitude, 50 questions, 50 marks. Okay, so the medium of exam will be bilingual, English and Hindi, except except in uh, English language. Okay, so the main examination, professional knowledge exam will be there for law officer, IT officer, agricultural field officer, HR officer, and marketing officer. So the syllabus, indicative syllabus will be released in due course of time for all these branches. For the post of Rajbhasha Adhikari, there is professional knowledge, objective questions 45 plus 2 questions of descriptive questions. Okay, so maximum marks will be 60 in any case. Then English language based on previous year question papers is a set, almost a set pattern. Close test, reading comprehension, spotting errors, questions, sentence improvement, sentence correction, para jumbles, fill in the blanks, para sentence completion. So I think most of you are aware with IBPS pattern of examination for IBPS PO and IBPS RRB. So it's the same. Similar pattern, similar level of questions, so you can practice those questions and test series. Then for reasoning, we have seating arrangement, puzzles, inequality, syllogism, then input output, data sufficiency, blood relations, order and ranking. So this also is same as with the PO and RRB officer exam, similar level of questions, so you can easily prepare. Then for quantitative aptitude also it is same, and general awareness, banking awareness, same. Special focus you should keep, according to me, on coronavirus related updates and finance related updates, economy related updates. That is it. Okay, because most of the see some sport events were cancelled, so there's not much to ask from these areas. Then IT officer syllabus based on previous year questions papers. It is the important topics: database management system, DBMS, and SQL related questions. What is DBMS? Mainly theory. What is RDBMS and details about RDBMS, etc. Then data communication and networking, in which important topics are protocols, IT protocols, then some IT security related issues, okay, TCP/IP protocol and OSI layers, etc., routers, right? Then operating system, software engineering, data structures, computer organization, object oriented programming related. Then abbreviations are important, so you should read and learn and revise some computer related, IT related abbreviations also. Latest technologies, please do read about artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, cloud computing, blockchain, okay, and then AR, VR, augmented reality, virtual reality. What are these technologies? Only the basic you should be aware. Okay, a question may be asked, and if you have not read about this, you might get confused. Then computer hardware related questions, always they come one or two questions. Then IT security related. After that, agricultural field officer, agroforestry, basics of crop production, horticulture, seed science. Okay, then agronomy, agricultural economics is very important. Agricultural practices, then soil related questions, okay, animal husbandry, and you can add fisheries also here, fisheries and poultry. Then agriculture related government schemes and updates of 2020, so these are current affair based questions. Then environment related, basic environment related questions also you should read. Then marketing officer, basics of marketing management, brand management, then advertising, PR, okay. So there's a book comes by Philip Kotler. So you can read that. It is considered as one of the best books in marketing, for marketing, and you can cover the topics from this book, or if you have any other book. Obviously, marketing, for marketing officer eligibility will be MBA or masters in marketing related courses. Okay, so you have the book, so not a problem. Okay, so for these three posts, IT officer, agricultural officer, and marketing officer, we have covered based on previous year question papers. For other posts, I think you can wait for the notification and information handout. Details will be there, and if we get the details, we will try to post. Okay, so all the very best, guys. Please start preparing at least for the prelims, and thank you.